Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, local scope and functions. Variables which are declared within a function as well as function parameter have local scope. That means they are only visible within that function. Here is a function myTest with local variable called loc. LOC. So function name of function myTest, after that parenthesis, then curly braces, then where variable is declared and initialized, and after that console log means log into the console the value of log variable. So when we run myTest here, logs foo console.log log is not defined. And why is that? Because it's inside the function where declaration and initialization is happening here. So since it is not declared outside function, so log is not defined. Let's see the task for this challenge. The editor has two console.log to help you see what is happening. Check the console as your code to see how it changes. Declare a local variable myvar inside local scope and run the test. So we have to declare a local variable var myvar inside local scope undefined, and outside local scope myvar is not defined. So note that the console will still have reference error myvar is not defined, but this will not cause the test to fail. So we can see how when variable is declared inside a function, it is accessible by the methods or any statement inside the function, but it's not accessible from the outside of the function, outside its local scope. So that's it for here. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.